Negative iron high-speed hairdryer. 3 minutes of quick hair drying, no fear of high temperature damage. Hard box packaging. With device, magnetic head, and manual. 100,000 high speed. Brushless motor, speed 20 meters per second. 200 million high concentration. Negative ions neutralize static. Electricity and smooth out frizzy split ends. 6-layer noise reduction technology. Soft wind sound as low as 60 decibels. Rejecting traditional high noise. Smart display, temperature, control at any time. For the first time, the default is natural wind mode. Short press the wind speed button to switch between low wind speed, medium wind speed, and high wind speed modes. Short press the wind temperature button to switch between natural wind. 50 degrees low heat wind, 70 degrees medium heat wind, and 90 degrees high heat wind modes. Supports drop shipping and small order customization.